All right, so today I want to talk a little bit about these Ryobi 18-volt batteries for the Ryobi power tools. These are from Home Depot, I believe, is who carries these. And these are the batteries are the P102s. Now I bought these about a year and a half, maybe 2 years ago. And they worked for a while, but then after like a year, a little bit over a year, probably a year and a half probably, they stopped working. So they wouldn't charge anymore. And whenever you tried it on the charger, they would just blink red. It wouldn't even tell you they were defective. They would just blink red for a while, and then it would stop, and then you get a solid red light, I believe. So these here I've had great results with. I've had this one forever, and this one has the cool sensor in the front which tells you how charged it is, and it's a bigger battery, and I have had no problems with this, and I probably have had this one over 3 years without a problem. But these, they ran out. Now the nice thing is that they do cover their batteries for 3 years, and so I called them up last week, and I basically had to give them the serial number of the battery, type of battery, the serial number, and I did have a copy of the receipt. I did when I bought them. I did make a copy of it, and I had that stored on my phone, so that made it easy for me to email them my receipt. But with that information, they were able to send me new ones. Now this was a 2-pack that I bought from Home Depot, and got the box today, and they basically sent me brand new P102s, 2 of them. So now I'm going to try and see if these work. But it's great that they have a good, fairly good battery warranty on them, with a 3-year warranty. So let's pop these into these chargers here and see if it works. There's one of them. Grab the other one. Now I have noticed sometimes when you plug them in, you might not get a green light to charge, and then I have to take them out and then put them back in. Within 2 or 3 times, they seem like they connect correctly and they start charging. In this case, I plugged both of them in and they started charging immediately. So yeah, these look good, and I'm happy that I was able to get new ones here. And then these other ones I can recycle. I can take them to a recycling center that takes batteries, or like Lowe's. Currently right now with COVID though, with the quarantine and COVID, they're not taking any recycling batteries to recycle at this time, so I'm gonna have to go later when they open that back up. So I'll just keep these for now, but definitely take them to your hardware center like Lowe's or like a recycling center. That's it. Hope you enjoyed it. Thanks so much, and make sure to subscribe if you like my videos. Thanks. Bye bye.